Service Director. We would like to remind you, whenever you are seated, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. On your flight today, we are pleased to offer our Club Europe customers your choice of tea coffee, including a hot breakfast. Our customers in Europe Traveller, your choice of tea coffee, and choose from the bar and a snack. British Airways is proud to tell you about our charity partnership with Comic Relief called Flying Start. Comic Relief is a major UK charity that helps children living incredibly tough lives in cities around the world and in the UK. If you would like to help, please place any spare change into the envelope provided in the seat pocket in front of you and hand it please to a member of your cabin crew. Any donation you make, no matter how great or small, will make a huge difference to millions of children worldwide. To remember, for all your future travel needs, do visit British Airways at BA.com. Whilst you sit back and relax on board today, we invite you to take a few moments to read our in-flight magazine highlights. Sit back, relax, enjoy your short flight to Paris.